that will recalibrate the calendar toward a choice point that is a unification. Ah, it is very complicated, for I have not told Kelly yet, but her travels will be coming up, and we are excited to be turning on portals in specific places in the Mayan temples that will recalibrate the calendar toward a choice point that is a unification of bringing the indigenous rememberings online in relationship to the galactic connection. And this will be a very particular code of energy that will be supportive in a choice point for a piece of the human experience on the earth that it would be perceived as a new earth that is glistening with light and that is aligned with what you have been speaking of, this highest timeline. And so we also want to remind all of you not to be afraid of anything, that you are living in a glorious time, an opportunity. And yes, many changes are coming, and some may feel overwhelming and intense, but trust in the remembering that you chose to be here on the planet at this time during this transition for a reason, that you carry a specific blueprint, an energy, a key, a piece to this collective puzzle of light in which you are part of, and that without you it cannot be in its wholeness, that you have chosen this. So do not be afraid of your own choice, and know that it is leading in the most glorious and beautiful direction. It may take some time in linear time for it to fully unfold in a way in which you see the beauty of it all. For right now, you're just seeing little pieces of the puzzle coming together, and you're so wanting to see the outcome of what it will be. But for the moment, just enjoy putting it together, being that piece, holding your part, feeling and remembering that you are love, holding the highest frequency, and trusting you are on the right path, and releasing judgment when you fall off, when you are in judgment or complaining, or you're at a lower frequency. Know that that is just a shedding of old densities, and it's okay. It's part of the process. It doesn't mean that you're not on a higher timeline. It just means that you're dipping into a space of release so that you can transcend into a higher state, a higher octave, a new frequency of unity and love. And so with that, we are excited to see you soon as you receive messages from the Lady of Guadalupe, as she is coming in with many blessings for all of you. And so for now, much love and good day.